Alright, heroes, get lunch ready. And today our meal is honestly something I'll be trying for the first time. So, Habiyah, right? Yes, it's Habiyah with meat, just as you can see. Of course, maybe this dish is strange for some people, and definitely for me too, but I saw its recipe and honestly, I liked it. And tell me, where is this dish most popular? Because, honestly, it's the first time I've heard of it. Look at me. Wow, the color. It's nice and soft and incredible. I made it, but this amount is huge, and my tray, I don't know if I'll leave it or not. Let's take it down and see the Habiyah, and then it's still hot. How do I know? How do I know? The amount is outrageous, people. The amount of Habiyah. Look at the meat and the texture. The most important thing is the consistency, people. Put it in. If I flip it all at once, it's better for me. Look at the mash. If it isn't nice and soft, don't call it Habiyah. And look at the crust. Inside, the aroma, don't even ask about it. It's honestly something incredible. And this onion, I didn't go wrong with it at all. Don't talk to her, and don't ask me what this dish is. Where is this from and what's its origin? Have you seen this recipe? I really liked it. How long does it take? The smells are amazing. Of course, I use the same harissa grain we use in Harry's. Check out all the meat. I use beef, as you can see. What do you think? You can make it with lamb or beef. It's okay. I fried it for about a quarter of an hour, then it cooled down a bit, and now let's take a closer look at it. This is the legendary Habiyah. Just listen to the sound. So soft. Amazing. Let me dive into this experience. Let's start in the name of God and see how it tastes. Here we go. Honestly, I've never tried this dish before. It's my first time, so my reaction will be genuine. Look at this meat. Just look at this meat in the name of God. Wow. Of course, I used the back cut of beef. Go ahead. Where are the fans of traditional, strange, and amazing dishes? Thank you. Jantamyana, honestly, the taste is legendary. It might make me forget about the rice. Look, there's bay leaf, butter, olive oil. After that, I'll try to take from the edges. Look at the meat, look at the meat, look at the meat. See how it's cooked, how it's caramelized, and how tender it is for you. Oh, God. Man, it feels like cream, so creamy. These are the grains of Harry's with the meat, the butter, and the richness. Honestly, this meat is so fatty, it's all fat. Oh my goodness. You have to write in the comments where this dish originally comes from which region, so I can send them greetings. Honestly, I don't know where it's from. Write it for me in the comments, my friends. Honestly, this touch, I don't know, maybe there are people from Basra won't let me, but I like a bit of sourness with it, that's all. The harmony is amazing. The harissa goes better with the meat than with the rice. Much better than with the rice. Honestly, the harmony here is something amazing. And how do you want me to eat it with side dishes? Honestly, I don't know why I brought Ruba here, but honestly, I don't want any appetizers. No one bring me anything, no lemon, nothing, because the taste is legendary. If you add too many appetizers, it means this dish is just a filler. No, it's amazing. Honestly, the food is amazing, Rafia. Oh, nice. Alright, a huge amount of meat. And honestly, this part of the cow tastes almost like lamb. It has a strong, sharp flavor. Look at this, look at these, look at these. They call them cartilage tendon, beef tendon. Look at the cartilage, how amazing it looks, honestly. And this meat is something else. Look at the meat. Look how we distribute it like this. Wow. All right, but it's really hot. Wow. Oh, here things are getting exciting. Look at this area. Nancy Kankar translated this. Look at the fat. He already ate the cartilage. You know, cartilage takes time because it gets rich and tender with oils, butter, margarine, and olive oil. Then we add more fat on top. All right. And what? Excitement, people. Subscribe, come on. Honestly, it's seriously incredible. It cooks, and that's it. Subscribe to the channel. You know, the cartilage takes a long time to cook. Come on, it means the meat cooks and finishes, and then we take it out of the meat. One time I made a video where I only ate cartilage. I cooked them for about 7 hours, just cartilage. They were amazing. How was the experience? It was a nice experience. Okay, here I'm holding it. Look at this meat surrounded by cartilage. Wow. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. We're carrying a curious cow onto the sheep. The back area. Awesome. Subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. 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 Subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. There he is. There he is. Wow, genial. This is my brother. It's his first vlog. Thank you. When it cools down a bit, the flavor comes out more. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. The taste is really present. Honestly, I'm enjoying this meal. And Habiyah is considered one of the heavier dishes. It's not like rice where it all gets scattered around or anything like that. Thank you. Thank you.
كيف هي مدمسة؟ واو. جيد 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 جيد. نوم بصرة.
Thank you.
يعني بس الحبية.
Excellent. Honestly, it's rich and the meat is all fatty. A huge amount of meat, Uncle. Let's take a closer look at this historic bite. Subscribe to the channel. What is it? Oh, it's still hot. Everything is still hot. Honestly, nothing is cooling down. Nothing is cooling down. This Habiyah just won't cool down, and there's so much meat now. Wow, I almost finished more than half. From the Habiyah, but the meat is a lot, honestly. The meat is a huge amount. I put a lot. Yeah. Okay, we'll keep eating a bit more. Music. Okay, I really recommend you try this amazing dish. Honestly, it's worth trying. Thank you. Thank you for watching.